Welcome once more. In this video, we'll be talking about comments. While working on the previous tutorial, you may have noticed me use something I never explained. Truncation. So this is what we call a comment in Rust. There are some times when we want to prevent the compiler from noticing or from including some part of our code while compiling. The way we can do that is by using comments. Now in Rust, we are able to do this by providing 2 lines before whatever we want to write, so it becomes ignored by the compiler. The other methods which we may want to comment out, which we may use to comment out parts of our code, but this is basically a one-line comment. What it does is, we may use this as some way to explain what we are doing in our code, and it doesn't get compiled when we are compiling our code. Another way for us to comment is by closing what we want to comment within the opening of this is a / with an asterisk and an asterisk with a /. So in this, we already know that this is not going to be compiled. And the only thing that's going to be taken care of in this program is this. Carried out by compiling our new application. So we see that we have hello, I am Eric Kanye, 8 years old, but 20 is not printed out. Also, another way we can use these comments is that when we have our comments presented this way, we can have them as multi-line comments. So you can write whatever gibberish or whatever explanation you feel like writing in multi-line comments. As for this, you cannot go below this. Once you start writing anything here, it becomes understood and compiled by the compiler. So that's it. There is a specific way for us to write comments. If you try to do anything like this, it doesn't get understood as a comment. Because if you look at this carefully, we'll see that this has been included as part of the comment, and if we try to compile, we see that we have an error on terminated block comments. So the only way we can terminate the comments and the only way we can open the comments is by following this for opening, following this for closing. Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video.